Okay, so when we're doing Brain Pop, you just need to go to Schoology up here, go to courses, go to your class. Let's see, I figured this out last night, so. Okay, let's see. I went to Brain Pop. So you have to add this as an app first. And I know all of you guys know how to add an app onto the side of Schoology. It opens up Clever, but it doesn't stay there that long. So then it goes into Brain Pop, so it automatically logs us in. Okay. So there it is. See how it's logging us in? Now, what I did was I went to, I actually pulled up 2 windows of BrainPOP to figure out what I can do. So I went here, Teach with BrainPOP, and I went to the educational website. So there's all kinds of lessons for the next 20 some days of Teach with BrainPOP. So I went here. But once you go there, or you find the topic that you want to do, what I did was I just typed in school. And I found one, back to school. So these ones are a little bit older. I wanted to find one that was just school. It looks like it's all of them. I wanted to find one that was a little bit more BrainPOPjr. So I'm going to go back. Those are maybe for older children. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to BrainPOPjr. Okay, let's say I want to add this one. I do want to add this one, listening and speaking. Probably will be doing this one maybe Wednesday, Thursday. But let's just do one just for the sake of doing one, okay? So let's put this one in there. Listening and speaking. So I'm going to go to dashboard. And I type in my class. That's the only class I have is this one. So, and then okay, those are all my kids. It's not really what I want though. Let's go back to dashboard. Okay, so now I'm going to add a new assignment. BrainPOPjr. And let's go to health. Listening and speaking. That's the one we're going to do. Okay, so now it's been added. So I want them to watch the movie. I want them to do the easy quiz. And that's it. And then assign to the students. Listening, speaking, assign the class, due date. I'm going to make this maybe due on Friday. Schedule for later. I'm going to make sure it's scheduled on Friday as well, because I don't want to schedule it earlier. Move this. Save. And then assign. Okay, so now it's been assigned. Listening and speaking assignment. Okay, I'm going to go copy this assignment link right there. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Schoology. And remember, we already created those folders for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I have them in here, week 1. And then I'm going to put it into Friday. Open. Okay, so now I'm going to make an assignment. Add assignment in Friday. And I usually title it asynchronous work so they know that that's the work that they need to do on their own. So or I'll say brain pop, listening and speaking, asynchronous. ASYNC. Okay. Asynchronous work. And asynchronous independent work. Okay. Then I'm going to go over here and add that link. Remember the one that we just copied? Brain pop. Listening and speaking. Attach. Okay, and so I'll say number 1, open video. 2, watch video. Okay, watch video. Number 3, take quiz online. And it actually records their answers. Take quiz online, and I don't need a picture because it's already recording their answers, unless you want to put it into Schoology as a grade, and you could do that as well and just tell them to take a photograph of it and then look at their scores and put it in. So you can do either way. When I say that, I mean, let's see, we're going to do it on the 28th. It's worth default elementary grade that Fernanda showed us, that it's already there. Category, listening and speaking. I don't even have that category. We'll just create a new category. Let's just say literacy. See. Okay. Align. I mean, you know how to align all of this. So I may have to change all of this. I'm just going to put something in really fast so you guys. Okay. So all of this needs to be picked. And so I am aligning this to Schoology so that I can give a grade. But like I said, BrainPOP, since they're doing it on this BrainPOP, the way we had done it, the way we had did it before, the previous page where it said it's embedded and it's linked into their account, then once they take the quiz, it would also show it on my side as well. So I'll have it in 2 places. So I'm going to create that. And now it's there. So when the child looks at it, they're going to be able to just, I did it a couple times last night. So when they look at it, they're going to be able to open this up and it's going to pop up the window for that child, however it is that they logged into Schoology. And it will say, okay, this is what you need to do is this one and this one. And it will say their assignment and when it's due. And when they take the quiz, it will share it for me on my dashboard, on my BrainPOP dashboard.